Let us look at proposition number 14 of book 12 of Euclid's Elements. The proposition says cones and cylinders on equal basis are to one another as their heights. Let's see how we can prove this. Let EB and FD be cylinders on equal basis. And let the circles AB and CD be the bases, where AB and CD are equal to each other. Now, what the proposition is saying is that cylinder EB is to cylinder FD as axis GH is to axis KL. Not only that, cone AG, when we draw the cone, those cones will also be proportional to their axis. Now, cones, we will look at it later. First, let's look at the cylinders. Now, produce the axis KL to the point N such that Ln is equal to GH. So, let's do that. So, first of all, let's produce that KL to N. And around this, let's construct a cylinder. Cylinders EB and CM are of the same height. So that means they are proportional to their bases. So that means cylinder EB is to cylinder CM as circle AB is to circle OM. But circle AB and circle OM are equal to each other. That means cylinder EB is equal to cylinder CM. Cylinder FM has been cut by a plane CD parallel to the opposite planes. In the previous proposition, we saw this. In this case, what happens? Cylinder CM is to cylinder FD as axis Ln is to axis KL. Cylinder EB is to cylinder FD as axis GH is to axis KL. How can we say that? Because cylinder CM is to cylinder FD, CM is to FD as axis Ln is equal to axis KL. But Ln is equal to GH and EB is equal to CM. So we substitute the CM with EB and Ln with GH. So we get what was required. That is cylinder EB is to cylinder FD is equal to axis GH is to axis KL. Now, as far as the cones are concerned, it is pretty straightforward. Why? Because we know that cone is 1/3 of the cylinder. So let's draw the cone first. So we have a cone and we have a cone. And we know cylinder EB is to cylinder FD. EB is to FD as cone ABG is to cone CDK. So axis GH is to axis KL is equal to cone ABG is to cone CDK is equal to cylinder EB is to cylinder FD. So remember, cylinders are just multiples of the cone. So they are going to be of equal multiples. Or in other words, cones will be the same fraction of the cylinders. So that means they will maintain the same ratio. So that is proposition number 14 of book 12 of Euclid's Elements. Again, let me remind you, there is a link to a PDF book which describes all these propositions in detail. Please feel free to download it, refer to it, and if you think somebody else can also benefit from it, please do share. That's it for now.